Hi guys, it's Slime Creator slash DIY Make It Yourself Slime. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make slime stress balls. So what you're going to need is some glue, white or clear, a container, something to mix with, laundry detergent, and if you're going to make stress balls, some balloons. I have some marble ones. Okay, sorry, I had to pause up. My family came and he messing me up. So I forgot where I was, but first you're gonna need to add some glue. Okay, that's a lot. Next you're gonna need to add some laundry detergent. Oh crap, I put a little bit way too much. You are gonna want to add a little bit at a time, but that's not what happened to me. So I'm not sure if this can become a flop or not. So, ooh, I found a hair in mine. That's not good. If you are selling these and you ever see slime, if you're selling these and you ever see hair in it, be sure to take it out right away. Because if not, the people are gonna want a refund. And then I know if you're selling it, you will not want a refund. Okay, so I'm just gonna keep mixing. I added a lot, so I think it's safe enough where I can use my hands. If you want, you can add lotion, but I'm not gonna. You are gonna need to clump this together, so oh, it's kind of still sticky. If it's still sticky, just add a little bit more, or like I said, lotion, contact solution, baby oil, all that stuff. Okay, so just get all of this glue everywhere, because I don't want to waste anything. Sorry if you hear that stuff about the hamsters in the background, because we have 3 hamsters, and so far it's just too much for us, because we're kind of never home. If we are, we're never cleaning them. So my mom doesn't want them anymore. But back to the slime video. So I'm just trying to get all the excess. Okay. This is good. Okay, I'm going to put this to the side. And I'm probably going to make the rest of my bottle. So, here you go. Oh, before we get into this, can you please smash the like button? Sorry if the lighting is really bad in here. This is my first video. Let's say, can we get 100? Or at least 50? Please hit that red subscribe button. If you want me to do anything like pranks, challenges, your guys' theirs, truths, what's it called? I'll put my Snapchat and Instagram in the description. If you want me, I don't know, comment things I should do, for my videos, and I'll try to do it. I'm gonna try to be posting different vlogs too. I can do vlogs. I'm not always gonna be able to make slime videos because I'm not always gonna go to the store. I just had money right now, and we're buying Michael's. So I'm like, Mom, can I please go? She's like, yeah. All right. So back to slime. I'm gonna add all this. Oh, that plane crash thing. A plane crashed in Wisconsin. People survived. My mom didn't think so. And it flew right in front of a whole bunch of people, but I guess not a lot of people died. So I'm going to come back to you when I got the majority of it down. So, oh, I'm gonna go put water in it, like shake it all up. So I'll be right back when that is done. Okay, I am back. I have some water. I did not add anything. So I'm gonna do is add just a little bit. Oh, my slime is kind of overflowing over here. And I just made. You're gonna want to add. Oh, first you're gonna want to mix the water in, and it gets nice and even. Like I said, you guys are not gonna want any bubbles because it's clear slime. Me, it's fine because I have way more clear slime. I'll show you this at the end of the video, or maybe next one. And this is gonna be in a stress ball. I do sell slimes at my school. I'm gonna have like people contact me, like saying, like maybe having them put their address, like texting me on a certain thing, so no one like will know. But back to this. You're gonna want to add some laundry detergent. Just a nice little strip. Mix it pretty good, even. I am using this school glue Collie. You guys can use Elmer glue. As long as it has PVA in it, you are fine. I do not probably recommend Glitter Crazy Art. I have tried it and it turned out as a flop. I think it does have PVA in it, but I think it might have been just the laundry detergent I used because it doesn't seem to work with any kind of glue. So this is turning into slime. You just want to keep mixing. And if it's still not the whole consistency, you're just going to need a little bit more. Ooh. I think I need to. Okay, I'm going to probably add a little bit. Okay, that may be a little bit too much. The other one came together really easy. Let me touch this. No, I'm not gonna. Not just yet. Yeah, see? Let me try to get that off, cause. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, so. Okay. So it is coming out to it, but it's really sticky, so I'm going to add more. Okay. That should be enough. I'm just using one hand. I have my other one to always add more. Okay, so that is a little bit still too sticky, so I'm gonna put that down. Add more. I don't know what I put. I think, oh, if you do add water, it's gonna probably take a little bit more because it's water. It's making it stickier. I think that's the thing. I didn't add water to the other one, so it came out a lot easier. Okay. Okay. So you are probably going to need it. Well, all slimes you're going to need. The only thing I like about clear slime is that well, it's kind of good and advantage. Like, you will know if it needs still needing because of, like, when you stretch it, like, the texture of, like, the clear part. Okay. Just grab all the rest of the slime from in here. I am going to combine these two. I think my first one came out a lot better. Here's my first one. Nice, stretchy. No problem with this. And then with this one, of a little problem. Okay, I'm gonna just add a little bit more. Yeah, because see, this is taking way longer because I added the water. I'm not fully sure if it's the water, but I know it's taking a long time. 10 minutes already. I'm going to pause and keep kneading it, and then come back to you when I'm done. Okay, I just finished kneading it. I really like the texture. Hold on. Let me grab our slime, flip it over. I have not combined it. This one is way cleaner. Look at this kind of like dirty gray one compared to this nice, clean, light one. Really pokey, really stretchy. Nice, good texture. Now let's see our second one. Still nice, pokey, really stretchy. Now, time to combine a little bit. And I'm going to see the finishing touch, like what it comes out to be. Ooh. Time to add all of it together. Ooh. You can kind of see where the dirty parts and clean parts combined. Nice big handful. I do not have shaving cream, so I cannot make it any bigger. I'm going to be right back and grab all the rest of my clear slime. And then put them in this big bucket and then see how much clear slime. No, hold on. I'm going to mix this all together. Okay, I'm done. And I'm going to go grab the rest of the clear slime, add all of it together, and see how big it is. So I'll be right back to you guys. Okay, I'm back. I just dumped it in there. I did not mix it yet, so I'm going to mix it on tape. Oh my god. Really pokey. Oh my god. That's a lot. I still have to mix all of it together. It's kind of transparent, kind of not. It's fine. Just listen to that. Isn't that so satisfying? Oh, I just look nice. So here's kind of the hard part. Is with the balloons. I will show you. I have marble ones. I have 1, 2, I think it says 8, 12, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, yeah. I have 8. Okay, so first I'm going to attempt to do one. I'll be right back. Let me grab something from back here. I have this, that. All set to go. Okay, so what you're going to want to do, I'm going to use this one. No, this one. Ooh, that looks very pretty. Okay, now let me try this one. Definitely not this one. What shape are these supposed to be? That's why. Okay. Okay, so I'm definitely going with this one. Sorry if that took kind of long. Okay, I'm just going to go up to there. Okay, so I'm putting up this funnel. I'm gonna come back to you when I kind of got all slime like up here and kind of started going. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I have it in. I'm just gonna keep shoving. Ugh. Get all the air out. This is gonna take a long time, so I'm gonna just keep skipping in. So I'll be back to you like when some of it is full. Okay, so this took like about 10 minutes. I did get most of it in, so you guys can tell. It's really kind of a lot. It is really hard to get in. Ugh. My technique is at first I tried to do like a whole big thing, and I saw that that wasn't working. So now I'm just doing it little small pieces. And then like after a certain amount, just shoving it down. Just gonna let it soak down. Okay, I got some of it down. Okay, that should be enough. I'm just gonna do a little bit. I'm gonna shove it down so when I blow it up, again, it's not. Okay, so here is my final product of a stress ball. Oh, I just love it. It's like, I bit a hole because there's slime in it, so I'm just squeezing out like pus. I do really like this. That is gonna be all of it for today. So if you do want to see more, just comment it down, and I'll do more stress balls with any other kind. I'm selling coupons. Utilize it up gets global laundry detergent in the container so they can do it themselves. I'll put my Snapchat in the description box so you can tell me. Please smash that like button. Hit that red subscribe button, and peace out.